Alright guys, so I'm going to quick show you a couple of key features on the new Beck's Armory shredder. So the nice thing about this grinder is it has a primary datum that everything that is important locates off the same exact phase of the same exact part. It's a key feature that most grinders don't have. So, for example, your motor bolts to this plate. Your tooling arm goes right here, and the actual clamping mechanism pushes it against this surface. You'll notice most of the grinders out there that you can buy, the clamping mechanism that clamps your tool arm in place actually comes from this side, and it pushes it away from the primary datum and locates off an arbitrary part that's welded to your primary datum. So what does that do? That introduces a lot of extra variables that you shouldn't have to fight, okay? Because, you know, that's a tolerance of the tube based on the tolerance of your weld stacked on top of each other, pressed up against the inside of a rough tube. So this does not have that problem. When you clamp your tooling arm, it is going to press against the exact same surface your motor is on, and all of the features on your tooling arm are actually bolted to this face that's pressed against this face. So everything that's important is all located off of the same exact face on one part. So that is one of the key features of the Beck's Armory shredder that you should consider when you're buying your next belt grinder.